Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, unit number 2, lecture number 7. We have first question, which is what are the blood vessels which carry blood away and back into the heart? So there we have answer here that there are three types of blood vessels which carry blood away and back into the heart. Number first, you can see arteries, second capillaries, and third one is veins. Our next question is question number 2, which is what are arteries and their functions? So arteries are blood vessels where their function is which carry blood away from the heart to the other parts of the body. It means that arteries, they carry blood from heart to other parts of the body, where all arteries carry oxygenated blood to the different part of the body. But here we have one artery which we call pulmonary artery. This pulmonary artery, it carries deoxygenated blood from heart to the lungs. It may possible that in your exercise MCQs that the MCQs may be like such that which one is the artery which carry deoxygenated blood from heart to the lungs. So you will put there the right answer that pulmonary arteries is the one which carry deoxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs. Or there is one another MCQs about artery. It may possible that in your exercise or somewhere else someone can ask you that which one is the largest artery in the human body. So aorta is the largest which artery? Aorta. Aorta is the largest artery in human body. Now we have question number 3. What are capillaries and their functions? Capillaries. Arteries divide and redivide to form narrow and thinner walled blood vessels, which are called arteries. Which is called capillaries. So arteries are divided and redivided. So it means that it is further divided there and it become thinner wall to which we call capillaries. So capillaries are arteries are divided to form capillaries. In their functions, you can say the capillaries provide blood carrying nutrients and oxygen to the tissues and cells, as well as you can say these take waste material and carbon dioxide from the cells and tissues to the veins. So it means that the exchange of material between the blood and tissues occur through the wall of the capillaries. So the capillaries and the tissues connect the arteries to the veins. So what is the main purpose of capillaries? It provide nutrient, oxygen to the tissues and cells. And second thing is the waste material and carbon dioxide also from the cell and tissues to the vein. This is important concept about the capillaries. So it means that exchange of material, you can also say, uh, between the blood and tissues. Now question number 4, what are veins and their function? So veins, the vessels that take the blood carrying waste material and carbon dioxide from the capillaries to the heart are called veins. So it means that veins are such type of vessels which carry waste material and carbon dioxide from capillaries to the heart is called veins. Now the function of veins, it is all veins carry deoxygenated blood to the heart, but except there is one type of vein to which we call pulmonary vein, which carry oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart. So there are two types of, one is pulmonary artery, other one is pulmonary vein. Pulmonary artery, it is the only one artery there which carry deoxygenated blood, but pulmonary vein is the one vein which carry oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart. A very simple way you can see, from heart blood flow to arteries, then into capillaries, then it is connected to veins, and then further again to heart. Now, question number 5. What is circulatory system? Circulatory system we can define is the transport system in human beings is called circulatory system. It consists of the heart, blood vessels, and blood. Next here, question number 6. What is the working of circulatory system? And working of circulatory system, we can say the circulatory system distribute and collect different substances in the body. Main thing is there, it contributes, or you can say the circulatory system which distribute and collect different substances in the body. Now, like the digested food is absorbed in the small intestine, from where it is transported to the other part by means of blood. This is first thing. Second is oxygen is absorbed in the blood from lungs and transported to the different parts of the body. So one thing we said about digested food. Second thing we said about the oxygen. So once again you can see digested food, it is absorbed from the small intestine and further it is transported by means of blood to the other parts, while the oxygen, it is also absorbed in the blood from lungs and it is transported to different parts of the body. After that you can see where it react with each other and with food, so to release what, to release energy. So in this process we can say some waste material and carbon dioxide are produced. Now what will happen to this waste material and carbon dioxide? The blood then takes the waste material to the excretory organ for removal from the body, while the carbon dioxide is transformed through blood to the lungs for release from the body. So two things, one is waste material. Waste material it takes by the blood to the excretory organ for removal from the body, while the other thing is carbon dioxide, and this carbon dioxide it is also transported through the blood to the lungs for release from the body. So thus we can say that transport of all substances in the body is performed by the circulatory system. Thank you dear students, this was all about blood vessels and their function, as well as about the circulatory system. Thank you very much.